You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, hey everybody on YouTube who's watching the replay. This is my Facebook group, Craft Hoarders, and we do all kinds of crafts in here. Any craft you want to do, let's get started. This is a project I did live on YouTube, and we're going to get rid of it. I can't just turn this over. This is a magnetic chalkboard I got from Couture in my starter kit, but I wanted to show you guys how you can just get rid of this. We're going to put something new on it. I'm going to put a bunch of different flowers on it, and I just want to cover the whole thing with flowers, and then I want to put this on it. Here we go. I'm just going to spray this with water, and I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes while I stir up the chalk couture. Ooh, that kind of looks pretty with the water on it. It looks like watercolor. So I'm just going to mix this up till it gets to like a yogurt consistency. Isn't that pretty? Okay, maybe I can watercolor with this, or make it look watercolored. See how easy that is? But yet it doesn't come off when you just rub it with your hands. You have to put water on it, let it sit for a few minutes. These are the mini flowers transfer, and these are not stencils. They have like a screen in them, and they have a sticky back. Go over the edge, I think, a little. You are watching the edited version of this. There we go. You can watch the full unedited video live as I did it in my Craft Hoarders group on Facebook. There's a link in the description if you want to watch it without any of the editing and in regular speed, because I do speed it up soon after this flower. If you're interested in getting 40% off these products and being a chalk couture designer, there's a link in the description to sign up. Or comment below some questions, or you can just buy a few of the products from my store link. What I love is you don't have much waste with this product at all. You just put it back in the jar. And I'm just gonna move this. Whoops, I made a mess. But that's okay, because you can just wipe it right off. Okay, now I'm just gonna lay this down. I've never done this before. Using the transfer over again. With paint still on it. It's not paint, it's chalk paste. This is a glue gun finger. There's a screen in there. See how it's not clear through it? You can't see through it? That's what makes these awesome. It's got some of the pattern of the flower coming through. That's kind of cool. What do you think? I'm not sure. Maybe I need to add purple flowers. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. Here is a shout out to just a few of the people who support my channel on Patreon. Marla, Diane, Marilyn, Christy, Jeannie, Juanita, Annette, Jody, Tammy, Jean, Kim, Ebony, Linda, Audra, Diane, Stacy, Carol, Donna, Betty, Virginia, Mouse Baby, Tanya, Linda, Darla, Dell, Rebecca, Ashley, Sherry, Courtney, Holly, Susan, Mary, Emma, Sally, Wanda, Christina, Eileen, Patricia, Robin, Michelle, Lisa, Shanna, Cindy, Susan, Christy, Kat, Helen, Tammy, Peggy, Heather, Lydia, Keisha, Althea, Kelly, Adaira, Kathy, Gloria, Deborah, Donna, Beth, Mariette, Sonia, Bobby, Joyce, Connie, Jody, Deborah, Brandy, Susan, Melissa, Benita, Jane, Richonda, Pamela, Claudia, Angelique, Sheila, Judy, Jacqueline, Judy, Pam, Adeline, Carla, Lisa, April, Marissa, Leslie, Shelley, Tracy, Robin, Jolene, Lois, Renee, Constance, Lori, Faith, Felicia, Gail, Sonia, Colleen, Mary, Tammy, Lisa, Michelle, Marion, Tamara, Elizabeth, Marianne, Marcia, Heidi, Gina, Angelina, Joy, Donna, Mary, Deborah, Debbie, Deanna, Barbara, Diane, Brenda, Christina, Lisa, Melissa, Teresa, Bobby, St, Alicia, Deb, Sarah Minta, Michael, Patricia, Carrie, Debbie, Mari, Tisha, Terry, Sharon, Marcy, Cheryl, and Crescenda. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here are a few videos on the Couture, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell.